Alright guys, welcome once again to AKAPO TV, the sports channel, the winning channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get free booking code, right? How to get free odds, how to get free booking code from this website called msport.com.gh. So if you are from Ghana or you are from Nigeria and there's msport in Nigeria, in Kenya, South Africa, or any part of the world where there is this platform, I'm going to show you how to get the best odd. Okay, how to get best odd, how to get booking code. Okay, this platform is somehow complex and it's also easy to use if you know how to go about it. But today, with the sake of time, I'm going to show you two things here. I'm going to show you how to get us, how to get free us from this website. So what you have to do is to create an account. Okay, so you create an account. I'm staying in Ghana, so if you don't have an account, you go to sign up, then you enter, choose the country of your residence. Okay, currently this platform is located in Ghana and Nigeria. Okay, this is a change of origin. Okay, so Ghana, Nigeria, and Uganda. Okay, so what I have to do is just log in. Okay, log in, then just click my login details. So I've logged in into my platform. So what I have to do now is to go to booking code. So you can, when you check this side, you can see that there's booking code, this one. So just click on it, but just click on the booking code like this. When you click, so after clicking on the booking code, okay, it will take you to section like this. All right, it will take you to section like this. You can see they have a lot of booking code here, selections and predictions. They have a lot of them here. I will show you how to select the best odds. You can see that this guy 13 odds and 39 13 false, with the 13 false represent the games. So these ones, you can see this is the number of games, this is the number of goals, and this is the followers the person is having. Okay, I'll show you how to select the best odds from this one. You can see that this one is selected 7 games and we have 2,000 odds here. Okay, and you can see the number of followers he's having on this platform. Okay, so this is how you can get us from this platform. Okay, I'll show you how to get this platform, the us, how to get better us here. But please make sure you share this video, you click on the like button, because if you like this video, get more exposure. That is why I always request you to like this video. Just like the video and share it to your WhatsApp group, any group that you have. Just share this video to it for me. And so to get the best odds, you always have to choose playing the odds with higher games with small odds. Okay, so you can see that this person is having 700 followers. That means his odds is always constant. That is why he's getting a lot of followers here. We have another one here, he's having 388 followers, which means his odds are always good. This guy too the same. So you can check the top 3 and see. So this is the first way to see if this odd are good. So you can click on it to view. So when you click on it like this, you can see all the odds there. You can view the odds, the selection that he made. Okay, this is a good selection. This is also a good selection here. You can see everything from here. And if you want to copy, you just click on here. You just click on here to copy the booking code, right? And if you want to add it directly to your slip, you just click on add and it will go to your slip like this. So this is the slip they have already been playing, so it will not show. So that's how the first way you can get the best odd. Okay, this is the first way you can select odd. So the second way is to look for odds with higher number, with higher games with smaller odds. You see this one is 5 odds with smaller odds, which means the probability of this odd to settle is very high. the probability of this odd to settle is very high. You can see that he's having 5 games and I think let me see, 5 games and 1.9 odds. That is almost 2 odds. So which means these odds are almost 90% to win here, and this is a good odd. And if you can't be doing this, please make sure you subscribe to my channel so that anytime I release posts, I release videos, you can also have it. Okay, you can have a, you see that this was under 2.5 home team, and then we have under 4.5, that's a total. We have is given handicap of 1 for the home team and double chance for the home team. You see this, all this is good odds, so you can add it to your best slip. Okay, you can add it to your best slip and you can stake from there. So let me go back and show you something from here. So you can keep scrolling the number of odds you want, just select from them. If you want bigger odds, if you want smaller odds, everything you can get from this platform. And the most interesting thing is that they add booking code to it. All the booking code are there that you can just grab and stake from here. This is why I always tell you that our platform is one of the best. Okay, so subscribe to AKAPO TV, the sports channel, to get your daily sports betting tips and predictions. Let me show you another method of getting odds. Okay, so you can go to filter odds, okay, or best odds. Let me use the best odds first. Okay, so you click on the best odds, and you see this, it will show you the team with the strongest upper hand. Okay, teams with the strongest hand to win the matches. Okay, so with this one, they have given us France, Spain, and they are saying France is having the best odds. That means people have gone for France. A lot of people have staked for France. When you check this side, you can see those people who have stake for France. Okay, you can see this side, people who have taken for this one. So a lot of people are going for this match, this team to win. So which means it's almost 90%. So you can also use this method to get us from here. Secondly, you can filter us. Click on the filter. When you click on the filter us, it will give you the most simplest or the smallest and the strongest teams here. These ones, when you use these ones, the probability of winning is 95%. Okay, so you can see these teams have 1.48 and their away team is having 7 odds, 1.4674. So you can see that they will give you the least odds, okay, and the strongest team. So there's a lucky, if you are lucky, you can win this match easily. So what you have to do, I will show you how to use this filter odds to make money. Okay, if you want to do odds, it's very easy. From this side you can add these teams and make money from it. Okay, so, and it's very simple. So like the video and share this video. I will upload the second video explaining how to use this filter odds to make money from MS Sport. Thank you very much for watching.